Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In a previous video, I did some cupcake toppers that was for my daughter's upcoming party. The theme was Ouran High Host Club. So I'm going to be making some water bottle labels in this video. That is also, with the same theme. And she wants to use pastel colors. She really wants to bring out, more colors. So I'm going to be testing out these different backgrounds and seeing how they look. So first I'm working in Publisher, by the way, but you can also do this in Microsoft. Microsoft is awesome as well. So let's go to Insert, let's go to Shapes, and we want the rectangle, of course. And for the water bottles, it needs to be 2 inches in height, and the width needs to be 8. Okay, now when doing pictures, you could do them like one or two ways. For example, what picture I want to use for an example? Okay, we'll use this for an example. Okay, for an example, I got this right here, but if I go to this, I go to Format, Shape Fill, Picture, Browse from File. Let's just go down to where it is really quick. I think it's in my downloads. Okay, let's choose this one. And it's going to now fill up your shape. And then let's say we don't want no outline. Sometimes that's good to just fill in the rectangle that you just created. Or if you wanted these to be a different way, you can just use the image altogether and just go to Format and just set the image down to the size, the correct size. So the height would be 2 inches. So let's take that down to 2, and then okay, nope, you got to reverse it because now it's the opposite. So the height will now be 8. Let's set this to 2. You get what I'm saying. And that's how you can get, these are the same picture, but as you can see, it is 2 totally different effects. 2 totally different effects. So just take that into mind. I actually don't like neither one of these, so I'm not going to use neither one. Let's go. Okay, what I want to test out now. Does that look nice? You know what? I'm gonna use quite a few. I'm gonna use 2 different ones. So now if it's doing this when you try to change the size of it, you see how both of them is jumping. That is perfectly fine. Just go to this little icon right here and take off lock aspect ratio, and from there now you are able to just change one at a time. Alright, this video is starting to drag out. I done hit the 4-minute mark. Okay, so let's actually start getting down to the nitty gritty. This I'm going to use. I love this. This I'm going to change. Format, shape fill. Nope. Format, picture, browse. And sometimes I actually do like to use different backgrounds for the same thing, just because it adds more color. Okay, now I actually do like that. I'm going to use both of those, so we're going with both of them. Okay, so I got that figured out. Now let's go ahead and put this on the front. All right, there we go. Now that is exactly centered. Let's copy that, paste it, center it with this one as well. Where is that center mark? Okay, that looks good. And now I think I just want to add them on the side. Yep, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. You guys, this was very simple. Like, water bottle labels do not gotta be fancy. They do not gotta be all jazzed up. Okay. Now, if you did want to jazz these bad boys up, like let's say with some glitter, let's go to insert, let's go to a shape, back to the rectangle again, and let's go ahead and set this to the correct height and width, which is 2 inches high, 8 inches long. Now let's go ahead and shape fill. Let's go to a picture. Now for the glitter borders and glitter backgrounds, it's very simple. All you need is an actual glitter image. So, you know, just go to Google and type in gold glitter or pink glitter, silver glitter, whatever glitter you're looking for. Do I got my glitters in a folder? I'm thinking I might have my glitter like all up in a folder somewhere. Okay, you guys, I need your help. Do you guys see glitter? I wish you guys could help me. Okay. Jeez, I think I only got this right here. So I guess we're gonna go with this. Okay. No outline. So as you can see, that's a glitter. And then sometimes if your glitter is not what you want it to be, you can go to the other format and go to corrections and you can make it brighter. Bang. Oh, yeah, I like that. That is brighter. Okay. And now, let's say, for example, we wanted to put this. So let's copy this, paste it. And of course, if we put this directly over it, guess what? It's going to cover the glitter. So now let's make this one just a little bit shorter. So let's just go down by 2 on each thing. And then let's even it out. And there you go. Now you have something that has like a, you know, the glitter background looking thing or whatever. So to group these, let's just go ahead, click. No, you don't click on them. You hold control, click on the image, and then let's go ahead up here, go to group. Let's copy because I'm lazy. I don't want to drag them one by one. Bam. I actually like that better. So I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna go with that. Let me delete this. Delete that because I don't like you no more. Now let's go ahead and crop this all together as one image. So hold control, click on all of the images, and we're going to go to group. This is now one whole water bottle symbol. Let's go to copy. Y'all, my computer is like lagging. Why? Okay. So there we go with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with that gold background. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy this one more time. Bring it down. And now I'm going to ungroup it because I don't want this background, but I do want this one. Nope. I want this. So I'm going to copy it, paste it, and just change the size of it. You know, go down by 2. And now just put it where I want it to be. Let's even it up on the sides. And let's also send it backwards. There we go. And of course, you can go a step further and customize these, you know, by adding names. But just for the you know, this video, I just want to do this really quick. So I'm not going to do all that. So let's group it. Get rid of all this. Bye, Ouran Club. Okay. Copy. Paste. Bam. And then I'm going to take these designs up there to her, see which one she likes. I know she wanted pastel, like rainbow looking colors. So yeah, I'm going to see which one she likes. Or like I said, we're just going to use both of them. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. As you see, water bottle labels are, you know, it's very simple to do, very easy to do. Yeah, so I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.